Elementor landing page tutorial for beginners. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you could use Elementor and create the best landing page to capture leads, to make sales. Exactly everything is in this video. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first things first, as you could see, this is a fresh WordPress install. I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. They give you a free domain, free SSL. Okay, I have a 20% discount. The link is down below. It's a affiliate link. I would get some commission, but my point is not that. The reason I'm saying is, if you use Bluehost, it's much more faster. So you could use Elementor really easily. And after that as well, once you create a page on Elementor, it should load fast. Okay, so with Bluehost it is really fast and it's very easy, so people can come on your website. They don't have to wait for like 10 seconds to load up your website. So that's it guys. So first thing is first, I'll just create a new page. So currently I'm using Astra theme. Okay, so people ask me, what theme do you use with Elementor? So I use Astra theme. So now let's say I create a new page. So this is my new page. I'll just say landing page and then save draft. Once you do that, and then you can see page attributes, make sure it's Elementor canvas and publish. Once you do that, you can just click on edit with Elementor. So now it will load. So now you could see over here, this is a blank canvas because we had used page attributes Elementor canvas. Okay, now to create the best landing page guys, just go on Google landing page. Okay, create beautiful what is landing page, or find your competition, but I'm going to show you the best landing page with you which you could use. First thing is your image. Okay, your image should come here, medium, small, medium. Okay, that would be your logo on the top, which I'm not gonna do right now, but then just the heading. Okay, make it in the middle. Style, make it big. Content h1. This is your heading, and then your offer should come here. So this is your offer, and then there's a button. Go back over here, button, and it should be big, everyone could see it. That's it guys, that's the best landing page you could use. Then you can add other things as well. So if you could see on my courses, I have done, I think so, if I just type this one, so this is one landing page, looks really good, nothing much is there, everything's over here. So it's very simple, anyone could understand it. And if you would also like to get this free course guys, go, you're the most welcome. You can join my free course. I show you how you can double your website traffic and get thousands of visitors. The link is down below. But that's it guys, you don't have to make it complicated. Or else, if you would like to learn more about landing pages, follow your competition. Okay, so let's say just type best landing page example 2020. Just follow your competition, copy paste. You don't have to reinvent the wheel guys. Find something which is working. So let's say if I want to learn about SEO traffic, just search on Google, you see the ads, check over here, open, find a landing page, and then just copy exactly as it is and make it much better. Don't have to complicate things. I think so the website's loading, none of them have landing pages, but just to give you an idea, that's it. And Elementor is very easy to use, just drag and drop heading and everything. And I think so that's it for today's video. And if you would like to learn about how to get free traffic to your website, I've created a free course, the link is down below, go and check it out. And that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off. And if you find this valuable, please consider subscribing, and I would see you next time.